Cybersecurity is actually one of our top 5 initiatives within the public sector practice at NetApp. And so we look at it from an offensive standpoint, the ability to quickly assess threats and threat vectors, attack vectors by potential people out there wanting to attack, and then defensively using a lot of the tools like from SourceFire, other places like that, to be able to assess the state of your internal infrastructure and how protected you are, and how solid defense in-depth approach you have taken internally. Right. We also support by nature with the types of infrastructure we stand up, going back to the discussion of the intersection of big data and cloud, we're known for actually providing the secure multi-tenant environments today in the cloud-based world, and we see as big data applications begin to run on that, being able to have separate tenants. I refer to them as virtual silos. In other words, taking the silos of excellence that are now hardwired and virtualizing that, but running it on shared infrastructure, and having the ability to move that entire silo live to new gear for non-disruptive operations has been our focus, so that you don't cause your own denial of service attack by moving stuff around, because of Moore's law, or just having to rebalance your infrastructure for better performance and so forth. So that's a big focus for us. The secure multi-tenancy infrastructure that we put in place, I think of it like you have this very strong infrastructure as a service capability, the whole stack from storage up to the hypervisor and application layer, and effectively you're able to carve that up and define that on the fly by software. Right. By rapidly provisioning out, we have a capability called FlexClone, where I can take a gold disk image and clone out instances of that in about 1 a second. Oh, wow. And so we can stand up applications on the fly. You want a Hadoop cluster? Great. How many data nodes do you want? Here's 2 name nodes, data nodes, scheduler. It's up in minutes. Wow. Right? You want a database environment? You clone off a different set of images. So.
Right.